Guanapisu is one of 21 guano islands along Peru's 3,000-kilometer coastline. It's home to more than 500,000 seabirds and, during the collection season, nearly 300 workers. There's long been money, once very big money, in the excrement of seabirds such as the Guanay cormorant and the Peruvian booby. The difference now from centuries past is that the Peruvian authorities are trying to sustainably manage the guano industry. Most of it now provides nutrients for the fields of nearly 1 million small organic farmers on the mainland.
It's a natural organic fertilizer, and it's the only place in the world that is exploited commercially this way. And this has been an historical commodity of Peru from the 19th century. And now it's coming again. It was great in the past and it's great in the future.
The collection process has changed little in centuries. It's all done by hand as noisy machinery could scare away the birds. The labourers rise before dawn and the work is fast and furious. Some men dig out the guano while others bag it in sacks and stitch them up. Generations of Andean farmers have done this seasonal work. Each carries more than 100 of these 50-kilo sacks a day. But not all of the men on the island are seasonal workers. Others have the job of protecting the birds and live there all year round.
I've been working for 13 years as an island guard. Not just on this island, but also rotating around some of the 20 or so other islands. The truth is, it's a lovely job.
It's amazingly rich in these sources of fixed nitrogen and phosphorus. In fact, it's even better than cow dung or horse dung. Cows and horses only eat plants, but Guanay cormorants feast almost entirely on anchovy-like fish. That protein-rich diet means lots of nitrogen eventually shows up in their poop. Plus, bird poop is really poop and pee combined, so that's extra nitrogen and phosphorus that other animal dung leaves out. As for why this natural fertilizer could just pile up, thank the dry climate of coastal Peru. In most of the world, bird poop will simply get washed away. But ocean currents from Antarctica ensure it almost never rains on the islands, allowing guano to harden, locking in layer upon layer upon layer of nitrate phosphate goodness.
जातोड़ो पटाड़ू माना छनी मनी देख ले जातोड़ो पटाड़ू माना छनी मनी देख ले खड़ी नींद के नीचे हूँ तो हे कली जातोड़ो पटाड़ू माना छनी मनी देख ले हे कली जा तोड़ो